This message is about A part 1 to 7 and B part 1 to also to 7 from February 24 to August 14. You see, these topics, okay, these videos, they are important and applicable to the applied math, physics, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and electromagnetism. That are basis tools for you to understand clearly the physics involved on this subject. So, I would like also to emphasize that all these tools over here, they will give you a basis, okay, a fundamental concept when we move to theory of relativity. You see, that's there's important tools, okay, that I derived here, although this is applicable for the three-dimensional space, okay? And you know that the theory of relativity, we deal with the fourth dimension, see? So that's, it'll be easy for you, okay, to, from these tools, okay, to adapt to the fourth dimension. So, this case, A part 1 to 7, okay? These are the lectures which I gave, and there's a number of videos for each one, okay? So, if you add this, we have 131 videos, okay, from A part 1. You see, I just let you read, okay? That's clear what is written over here. So, this is 131 videos, okay, on this A part 1 to 7. Now, B part 1 to 7, okay, this is intrinsic geometry in 3D, okay. These are numbers also of videos you can add, or this leads to 212 videos over there. And the total number of videos is 343. You see? So this for you to have an idea what I have been done, okay, since February 24th. See, that's just for you to have. You see all these titles of these videos over here. You see? That's it. That's an important message for you. Just you copy or you see, okay, this is, all of these are recorded on my channel. I would like to ask you to please share all this work. It's a very, very hard work, you see, which I'm doing by motivation, okay? Just it, okay? I motivate also to put all this subject on my channel. So I will ask you again, please share, okay? And you give like or unlike, you see, if you really, if you understand that, you see? So you share with the friends, groups, and comment, okay? The comments are very important for me, because this will guide me if I'm doing correctly, okay? What in this case, I'm telling you to follow my words, okay? The way I'm teaching, see, I go step by step, clearly, you see, for you just to understand these important topics, okay? That's it.